Forget frantically tapping your phone, missing out on crypto surges. Imagine buying Bitcoin with just a thought. Buckle up, because the Brain Bitcoin Interface, BBI, is here to blow your mind. BBI is an exciting proposition that brings together the world of cryptocurrencies and neuroscience, aiming to create a seamless link between your brain and your Bitcoin wallet. But how does it work? Let's delve into the magic behind this innovation. This mind-melding tech merges the wild world of cryptocurrencies with cutting-edge neuroscience. It's like a universal translator, but instead of languages, it decodes your brain signals and zaps them straight to your Bitcoin wallet. The secret sauce? Neuralink. This tech marvel uses tiny threads to read those electrical pulses firing in your head, translating them into actions. Think moving your arm, but instead, you're buying Bitcoin. You're chilling, sipping coffee, and see Bitcoin skyrocketing. You think, gotta buy! Boom! BBI catches your thought and executes the trade. No screens, no hassle, just pure thought-powered transactions. BBI has the potential to revolutionize finance and beyond. But is our world ready for this mind meld with money? Are we comfortable with our wallets controlled by thoughts? Join me as we explore the possibilities and dangers of BBI. This is just the beginning. Please subscribe and like the video and buckle up for the next chapter. Imagine this. Bitcoin explodes, your heart races, you think buy, and it's done. BBI instantly executes the trade. Forget slow fingers and missed opportunities. BBI makes crypto trading lightning fast. Neuralink, the mastermind behind BBI, listens to your brain chatter. When you think buy Bitcoin, it picks up the signal and executes the trade. No more frantic clicking, just pure, thought-powered transactions. But BBI goes beyond speed. Your unique brainwaves hold the key to personalized trading strategies. Are you cautious? BBI can identify risky trades from your brain activity and adjust your strategy accordingly. Do you overthink decisions? BBI can nudge you to act before second-guessing throws you off course. Imagine having your brain as your ultimate trading weapon. No more hesitation, no more missed opportunities. BBI unlocks a world of lightning-fast, personalized trading. But wait, is our brain wallet safe? Can hackers steal your crypto? We're just getting started. Buckle up for the next chapter. With great power comes great responsibility and great risk. The concept of a Brain Bitcoin Interface, BBI, might sound like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you think. But before we dive headfirst into this mind-blowing world of thought-controlled finance, let's address the elephant in the room: security concerns. Imagine this: you're chilling at home, contemplating a Bitcoin buy. Suddenly, a malicious hacker intercepts your brain signals, twists your intention like a digital pickpocket, and diverts your hard-earned crypto into their own shady wallet. Sounds like a dystopian nightmare, right? This isn't just paranoid fantasy. As we weave technology deeper into the fabric of our lives, the threat of cyber attacks becomes a harsh reality. When it comes to something as personal and intimate as our thoughts, the stakes skyrocket. So how do we fortify ourselves in this potential future? Enter the realm of robust cybersecurity measures. As we develop BBI technology to decipher our brain chatter, we must simultaneously develop ironclad security protocols. Think of your brain as a high-security computer. Just as we equip our devices with firewalls and antivirus software, we need similar defenses for our minds. This might involve cutting-edge encryption methods like scrambling your brain signals before they're transmitted, making them gibberish to any eavesdropping hackers. Biometric authentication, like a unique brainwave signature, could be another layer of defense, ensuring only authorized access. We could even explore AI-powered security systems that learn your typical brain activity patterns and flag any suspicious, abnormal activity that might indicate a hacking attempt. Legislation and regulation are also crucial. Just as financial transactions have rules in place to prevent fraud and theft, we'll need strong legal frameworks to safeguard the privacy and security of our thoughts. This could involve establishing clear guidelines for data protection, outlining who has access to our brainwave data and how it can be used. While the possibility of brain hacking is a chilling thought, it shouldn't overshadow the potential rewards of BBI. Imagine the freedom of managing your finances with just a thought, the convenience of buying and selling crypto in the blink of an eye. This technology could also be revolutionary for people with physical limitations, empowering them to manage their finances independently. The potential of BBI is undeniable, but so is the need for a cautious approach. As we venture into this uncharted territory, let's prioritize robust security, clear regulations, and responsible development. Let's build a future of thought-controlled finance that is secure, accessible, and ultimately, in our control. Join me in the next chapter as we explore the impact of BBI beyond crypto. The future of money, a thought experiment. We'll delve into the societal and economic implications of a world where our brains become the ultimate financial tools. Imagine controlling your finances with just a thought. Sounds futuristic, right? But for people with physical limitations, Brain-Bitcoin Interface, BI, could be a game changer. In a world where everyday tasks can be a challenge, BBI offers a beacon of independence. It's not just about buying Bitcoin, it's about empowerment. For someone unable to use a computer or phone due to a disability, BBI could mean the difference between relying on others and managing their finances themselves. Just think, a single thought triggers a financial transaction. Imagine the freedom of managing your money without physical limitations. BBI isn't just convenient, it's about dignity and autonomy. Picture this. Someone with limited mobility wants to invest in cryptocurrency. Traditionally, they might need help navigating complex trading platforms. With BBI, they simply think about the transaction and it happens. No physical interaction, no dependence on others, just pure control. Of course, this isn't a utopian fantasy. Potential misuse and the need for robust security are real concerns. But the potential benefits for people with disabilities are undeniable. BBI isn't science fiction. It's a vision of a future where technology breaks down barriers, creating a more inclusive world. BBI isn't just about trading crypto. It's about giving everyone the power to control their financial future, regardless of physical ability. It's a world where everyone has equal access to financial independence. The potential to empower people with disabilities is just one exciting possibility. As we explore BBI further, we unlock a world of opportunities. The potential benefits are immense, but what does this mean for the future of money? As we enter a new era of financial technology, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the challenges and opportunities BBI presents? Join me in the next chapter. The future of money, a thought experiment. We'll delve into the societal and economic implications of a world where our brains become the ultimate financial tools. Buckle up, the next chapter explores a mind-blowing future. Imagine a world where Bitcoin is no longer a digital currency, but a mental one. Forget wallets and cards. Transactions happen through the sheer power of thought. Picture this. Strolling down the street, a delicious pastry catches your eye. No need to fumble for cash or cards, you simply think, buy, and the transaction is complete. Seamless, instantaneous, mind-blowing. This future of thought-based transactions might sound like a dream, but it raises critical questions. Privacy becomes a major concern. Every passing thought becomes a potential purchase. How comfortable are we with our financial decisions being so transparent? Security is another looming cloud. Imagine hackers not just stealing your credit card details but your very thoughts. The potential for misuse is chilling. Are we ready for a world where a single, malicious thought could drain our mental wallets? The future of BBI and thought-based finance is upon us, but it's not set in stone. We have the opportunity to shape it, to ensure it's secure, ethical, and benefits everyone. So what kind of financial future do we want to create? Do we embrace a world of pure thought-based transactions, or do we find a balance between convenience and security? Join me in the final chapter, the final frontier, BBI, and the choices we face. We'll explore the ethical dilemmas and societal shifts brought about by BBI, and ask the ultimate question, are we ready to become one with our money? The Brain-Bitcoin Interface, BBI, holds the potential to revolutionize finance, but it's a double-edged sword. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we must confront the challenges and ethical dilemmas. Imagine a world where every financial thought becomes a potential transaction. How comfortable are we with such transparency? Will our financial decisions be constantly monitored, raising privacy concerns? BBI could exacerbate the digital divide. Will access to this technology create a new class of financially empowered individuals, leaving others behind? We need to ensure BBI fosters inclusion, not exclusivity. Cybersecurity concerns loom large. Hackers could potentially steal from our mental wallets with a malicious thought. Robust security measures, like advanced encryption and AI-powered safeguards, are crucial. Despite the challenges, BBI offers hope. For people with physical limitations, it could be a game changer, granting financial independence. Imagine buying Bitcoin with just a thought, a world of convenience and empowerment. The future of finance lies not in our wallets, but potentially in our minds. We have the power to shape this future, ensuring BBI is secure, ethical, and accessible to all. Are we prepared to become one with our money? Are the potential benefits worth the risks? Join the discussion as we explore the ethical and societal implications of BBI in the coming episodes. Let's work together to build a future where financial freedom is a reality for everyone, not just a science fiction dream.